Good morning from Master Trust and welcome to Friday's trading session at Dalal Street dated the 26th of July 2024. US Dow Jones rose 0.20%, settling the day at 39,935.07 while Nasdaq ended the session at 17,181.72, falling 0.93%. In the Asian market, Nikkei is trading at 37,942.20 and Hang Seng is trading at 17,145.88. GIFT Nifty is currently trading at 24,405, indicating a start in red for the Indian market. FII sold 2,605.49 crore in the cash market in the last trading session. Mankind Pharma to buy Bharat Serums from Advent for 13,630 crore rupees. RBI releases draft liquidity norms proposing additional buffers due to electronic fund transfers. NPCI's Praveena Rai emerges as frontrunner for MCX CEO position. Oil India inducts CSS technology for the extraction of crude from Jodhpur sandstone. Now talking about global aspects, the number of people claiming unemployment benefits in the US fell by 10,000 to 235,000 on the period ending July. The US economy expanded an annualized 2.8% in Q2, up from 1.4% in Q1, and above forecasts of 2%, the advance estimate showed. New orders for manufactured durable goods in the US slumped 6.6% month-over-month in June. WTI rose 0.7% to $82.11 a barrel while Brent gained 0.5% to $82.11 a barrel. The dollar index is trading at 104.02. The US 10-year Treasury yield is at 4.24%, down. Here is a recap of Thursday's trading session. Indian benchmark indices, Sensex and Nifty, rebounded from their intraday lows as the market adopted a buy-on correction strategy during the main expiry, seeking to capitalize on profit opportunities despite a negative trend in global markets. The Sensex declined nearly 100 points, settling at 80,039.80, while the Nifty ended the day flat at 24,406.60. Outlook for the day. The Nifty index has formed a bullish candle on the daily chart, recovering from a gap-down opening. The immediate resistance level is at 24,500, trading above this level could signal a re-entry into a bull market. On the downside, support is observed at 24,200. The overall market structure appears sideways to bullish. However, if Nifty breaks below the 24,200 level, it could indicate bearish pressure and the possibility of further declines. The Nifty Bank Index underperformed throughout the week, correcting due to selling pressure in private sector heavyweights. However, the index has shown signs of recovery, suggesting a potential upside pullback. Immediate support is around 50,500, with resistance in the range of 51,050 to 51,700. Trading above 51,050 could lead to a strong move towards the 51,700 level. Stocks on radar are Sanjeev, Hindustan Petroleum Corp, SBI Life, HDFC Bank, Tata Motors. That is all we have for now. For any queries, do visit our website www.mastertrust.co.in. Thank you and have a profitable day. Please note that stocks mentioned in the podcast are only for educational purpose. Our company or any of its employees shall not be held responsible for any investment or trading action undertaken by any person based on stocks mentioned in this podcast.